Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Theoretical Agri Study. So today we discuss about the father of different agricultural field. So first of all, we discuss about the Pico de Crenzi. He is known as the father of agronomy. He collected many samples of agricultural literature in his book Opus Rural Ur Commodorum. So in the photograph we can see the photograph of the Peter Dickensi and his book. Then father of tillage and weed science. So Jethro Tull, he is known as a father of tillage and also the father of weed science. Jethro Tull published a book Horse Owing Husbandry. In his book, he mentioned the two words weeds and zero tillage. And not dear my friend, father of zero tillage is GB Triplet. So now the father of agricultural climatology, Köppen is known as father of agroclimatology. Father of agrometeorology, D.N. Walia is called known as father of agrometeorology. Father of agriculture chemistry, Justin V. von Liebig, J.V. Liebig commonly, he is known as agricultural chemistry. Father of antibiotics, Alexander Fleming is known as father of antibiotics. Alexander Fleming, who originally a biologist and microbiologist, discovered the antibiotic penicillin in 1928 and awarded Nobel Prize in 1945. Then after the father of ATP cycle is Lippmann. ATP means adenosine triphosphate. In ATP, the main pillar is carbon, nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen and phosphorus is required. Father of biology is Aristotle. Father of botany is Theophrast. Father of bacteriology is Leeuwenhoek. Father of crop rotation is Norfolk. Father of cytology is Robert Hooke. Cytology means study of structure and function of plant and animal cell is called as cytology. Then father of cytoplasmic inheritance is Karl Correns. So now my dear friends, what is the cytoplasmic inheritance? It means inheritance of trait usually via maternal line and controlled by extra chromosomal element. That means the traits are governed by the maternal from the mother side is called as a cytoplasmic traits. Father of cooperative movement in India so is Nicholson. And some good example of cooperatives in India is Amul Federation, IFCO, Indian Farmer Fertilizer Cooperatives, and the Matar Dairy. Then father of DNA fingerprinting technique is Alex Jeffrey. In the world, first time DNA fingerprinting is done by the Alex Jeffrey. So he is known as father of DNA fingerprinting techniques. Then father of economic ecology is Dr. M. Swaminathan. M. S. Swaminathan is also called as a father of Green Revolution in India and also the father of Evergreen Revolution. Father of extension education is A. Seman and Nape. And in India, father of extension education is Dr. K. N. Singh. Father of experimental genetics is Thomas Hunt Morgan, T. H. Morgan. Father of genetics is Gregor John Mendel, G. J. Mendel, who gives the two laws of Mendel. Father of natural farming is Masenbu Fukuoka and father of organic farming is Albert Hova. So my dear friends, what is the general difference between the organic farming and natural farming? So in organic farming, we use the manure or fertilizer like compost, vermicompost, cow dung, etc. that are organic in nature. But in the natural farming, we neither use or chemical fertilizer or either any organic fertilizer. So in natural farming, we did not use any chemical or organic fertilizer. Father of field plot experiment is J.B. Bossungate. Father of genetic engineering is Paul Berg. Father of Green Revolution, Norman Ernest Borlaug, Dr. Annie Borlaug. He got the Nobel Prize for the Green Revolution in 1970 for the Nobel Peace Prize, and also the Padma Vibhushan also given to him in 2006. Then father of Green Revolution in India is Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. Then after the father of golden rice is Dr. Igno Potrekas. Then father of hybrid rice is Dr. Y.L. Ping. Then father of hybrid rice in India, also Mr. Rice of India, is Dr. E.A. Siddiqui. Then father of hybrid cotton, Dr. C.D. Patel. At Surat Farm, he developed the H4 hybrid for cotton variety. Then father of plant pathology is Dr. Anton de Berry. Then father of plant pathology in India, Dr. E.J. Butler is known as father of plant pathology in India. Father of Indian Rus is Dr. K.C. Mehta. Father of Indian ecology is R. Mishra. Father of Indian plant breeding is Dr. B.P. Pal. And the B.P. Pal is a most common popular variety of rose. Father of Indian remote sensing Dr. P.R. Pistroy. Father of microbiology is A.V. Leeuwenhoek. Father of mycology. Mycology means study of fungi is called as a mycology. So in mainly rust in wheat uh, is are the yellow rust, black rust, and the brown rust. And all rust resistant variety is Choti Lerma. Then father of mutation theory is Hugo de Vries. Father of nematology is Dr. N.A. Cobb. Father of plant nematology is Dr. Romilio G. David. Father of nematology in Gujarat is Dr. A.M. Shah. Father of nitrogen fixation is Vino Gradaski. And for the nitrogen fixation, NIF gene is required. Father of ornamental gardening is Dr. M.S. Randhawa. Father of plant physiology is Stephen Hales. Father of pedology is V.V. Dokuchev. Father of parasitology is F. Plater. Father of plant tissue culture is G. Haberland. Father of sociology is Auguste Comte. Father of pure cultural technique is Oscar Briffault. So thank you my dear friend for the watching my YouTube video. If any suggestion, do comments in the comment box, and please like, share, subscribe our YouTube channel to your friends. Thank you.